Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download, install, and set up SmartOne IPTV on your smart TV. If you're on an LG TV, open the LG Content Store. Search for SmartOne IPTV, then download and install the app. SmartOne IPTV is lightweight, stable, and works smoothly, even on older TV models. Once installed, this is what the app looks like inside. It has a clean, minimalist interface that's super easy to use. Remember, SmartOne is just a video player. It comes empty and doesn't include any content by default. The app does offer a 14-day free trial, so you can test everything out before deciding if you want to continue using it. Now, let's head over to settings. Here, you can customize several things. Change the language. I'll set mine to Portuguese for convenience. Choose a theme, light or dark mode, depending on your preference. Enable weather forecast display, and even access internet radio options, which makes this app feel more complete. You also have the option to set up parental controls to block adult content, ideal if you're setting this up for family. When it comes to adding the playlist, that's the most important part, because the app needs content to play. This is one of the most complete IPTV apps available for Samsung and LG TVs. Inside the app, you'll find a section with all the necessary information required to add your IPTV playlist. And that's it. Simple, fast, and easy. No complications.
Stream Utopia, global entertainment in your hands. Watch anywhere, anytime with multi-device streaming. Plan starting at $6.12 per month with 90 days full refund. Use code NEWCOMER for 15% off. Worldwide access. Highlighted with quick globe animation. Subscribe now. StreamUtopia.com.